Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to blur a background on CapCut. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, first things first, you want to select your video here and go to Effects. After that, choose Video Effects. And from here, you want to go ahead and just write down on the search blur and search for it. Now you will see a lot of options. You can go ahead and choose, for example, this one. You can also adjust the blur. Maybe you want it to be not so intense. So make sure to choose the best option for you and then do this. Now you want to drag the effect through the whole video, just like so. After that, after you're done, you want to go ahead and then select everything and click overlay and add your video without a blur. After it was added, you will see it here. Now you want to click on the video itself here and you want to go ahead and adjust the size so it would fit the same as the blurred effect. Now the same overlay video, you want to scroll down, scroll to the right until you will see remove background and choose auto removal. And now it will apply this feature and you will see that the background is blurred and the person is not. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.